Hello and welcome down onto the tech desk, and in today's video we're going to be looking at this. So this is the latest product from NYXI that they sent me. It is the NYXI Wizard, but it is in the Spice Orange style, which I assume is because it's Halloween coming out. They've launched it in this colour. Now this video is going to be pretty quick because I'm just going to go and show you the colour, so you're not having a CGI rendering of it. You have actually got it and you can see what the kind of like the colour is like in real life and on the Switch. If you wanted to go and have a look at a more in-depth review of this, go and have a look at the original review that I did on the NYXI Wizard. I will link up here and I will leave links down below of where you can go and have a look at that. But this one is just going to be showing off the colour because they've got 4 colours now. They've got the platinum and the black, which I did in a previous video. Now of the orange, and then they have the original purple. And I believe that they are identical, but I will be talking about something later. If you want to get one of these, go and have a look on the website and don't pay full price. Whatever you do, I've got a link down below, so get some money off it. And what we're going to do now is just go over the boxes, okay? Because there's a couple of differences on here, really minor, so we'll spin through them really quickly. On the front, almost identical, different logo, okay? Spinning on the sides, they look identical. On the top, this one now has one of these flaps that holds it onto the when they're going to shop, whatever. And then on the back, all the information on here is a little bit different to all the information on here. The specs stay the same, so same model, same input voltage, same charging voltage, same charging time. This now has the wireless connection distance of around 10 meters, and it also has different contact details on there as well. So different address, different phone number. Hey ho, nothing that exciting. Okay, and then what? The first difference I wanted to show you, which I will have to probably go and do in a separate video because I will need to break them both down, is if I get my thing. So this has everything in it, okay? This is as new. I've put everything back in, so with everything that you get with it. It is 587 grams, 588 grams. This one, 575 grams. So it is about 10-15 grams lighter than this one. And you think that's probably think that's not that much. Not really, but when you have an item that's this small, it actually is. So there is something different in this than this one. And again, I'll have to go and do a breakdown video of taking them apart, but I'll do that later if it's anything significant. Right, so let's get it out of the box then. There we go, the controller itself in this packaging as normal. Instruction manual. And then the parts accessories, which comes with these 2 bits as standard. Get yourself a USB-C cable. It seems pretty stock, to be honest. Doesn't seem anything fancy about it. I never use them because I have a USB plugged in over there, which I use to charge all my bits. And then it also has the rings, the replaceable rings. These 2 are the kind of like the smooth edge rings, so it's not the hexagonal ones, so I assume the hexagonal ones will be on here. And then here it is. A lot more orange than I was expecting. So as I say, on the website, I reckon there might be CGI renderings of it, but this is a lot more orange than I thought it was going to be in the pictures. I hope it's coming across on camera about how actual dark it is. It's a really nice orange, very nice shade of orange indeed. Very nice shade of orange. Okay, let's quickly pop this one out. Just the only difference in the manual is the fact that the logo's changed. So as far as I can tell, absolutely identical. If I'm looking at them now, if I had to pick a colour, if I wasn't too precious about the kind of like the GameCube colour, I think I'd be going for the orange one. I think that looks lovely. I think that's a really nice setting off colour. Okay, right, let's get them weighed, shall we? Remember you said there was a difference in weight. Okay, 257, 240. So it's around 17 grams difference. So about 15 grams, we'd say, with because the things are different. So there's got to be something different inside. As I said, I'll go through that. And if there's anything significant, I'll probably do an update video on it. But in terms of specs online, everything feels the same. Let's have a look at the triggers. Feel identical. 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 Okay, so for really, kind of superficially, if I'm just tapping the buttons and stuff, they do feel exactly the same, okay? So, yeah, they feel exactly the same, really. So it's gonna have to be something internally. Okay, so let's pop it on the switch then and see what it looks like. So this will be the first time I've actually put this on a switch. So let's reconnect it. Lovely. Look at that straight away. And I need charge as well. So plugging it in to charge it. Let's have a look down here. We should be charging them as well. Yeah, there we go. So they're charged. This one is pretty much halfway. This one's pretty much full. So we can use them off the back. As I said, I think these are going to be absolutely identical as the other one. I will do a quick test of the sticks. Okay. So, there's a millimetre or two in the middle there to the outside, and then about that. Yeah, pretty much stock of what the other one was. Okay. And then it's going to be stuck on them because that's the way that the thing goes. Okay, I won't bore you with that. Let's try the other one very quickly. That moves after not much, millimetre or two, not even that, and then we're at the edge, and then a couple of millimetres on the edge. Okay. It feels absolutely identical to this one, so if you want to go and see that in a much more detail, go and have a look at the video that I've done on this one. Okay, so generally then, if you're after the NYXI Wizards, is it the orange ones that you're going to go for? I think they look really smart. Really like the look of the orange. A lot darker than I thought it was going to be from the pictures on the website. Okay, that's it. That's my look. And then this one, the NYXI Wizard, the spice orange style. Get in the comments and go and tell me whether you think this is a better colour than the purple one, or the platinum one, or the black one. Which is your favourite colour out of all of them? Let me know in the comments below. Okay then, that's it then. Go and have a look down in the comments for a cheeky discount. Till the next video, please like, please subscribe. Bye bye.